Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best air fryer bumpers is probably one of the most essential yet overlooked accessories for any air fryer owner, designed to protect your appliance and countertops from scratches and damage, ensuring longevity and a pristine kitchen environment. These small but mighty additions can significantly enhance your cooking experience by preventing those annoying clinks and scrapes that occur when placing or removing the air fryer basket, ultimately preserving the aesthetic appeal of both your kitchen surfaces and your beloved appliance. Number 5. Linda's Essentials Reusable Silicone Air Fryer Liners. Tired of scrubbing your air fryer? These liners are designed to keep your appliance spotless, protecting it from spills and food residue. Spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your meals. Ditch the expensive and wasteful parchment paper. Our reusable silicone liners offer a durable, eco-friendly alternative. They're designed for optimal airflow, ensuring your food cooks up perfectly crispy every time. Say goodbye to food sticking to the bottom of your air fryer basket. These non-stick liners make cooking effortless and clean up a breeze. Just pop them in the dishwasher after use. Crafted from BPA-free and PFOA-free materials, these liners can handle temperatures up to 446 degrees Fahrenheit. They are built to last and can even be trimmed to fit your specific air fryer basket. Enhance your cooking experience with a bonus recipe ebook and a handy printable cheat sheet. These accessories are designed to make your kitchen life easier. From Linda's Essentials, a trusted family-owned brand with millions of satisfied customers, we are committed to providing high-quality products that simplify your everyday cooking. What we like? Tired of scrubbing your air fryer after every use? These liners are designed to catch all the mess, saving you valuable cleaning time. If you frequently cook messy foods or simply want to extend the life of your air fryer, these are a fantastic choice for a hassle-free cooking experience. What people say. These bumpers fit perfectly on my COSORI air fryer basket. They are made of good quality silicone and don't have any weird smell. They protect the air fryer basket from scratching the non-stick coating. Number 4. IMPRESA Air Fryer Silicone Bumpers. Tired of ill-fitting accessories? These silicone bumpers are designed for a precise fit on your air fryer tray, ensuring compatibility with many leading brands and models. Crafted from durable, food-safe silicone, these bumpers are built to last. They are heat-resistant, protecting your tray from damage even during high-temperature cooking. No tools needed. Installation is a breeze, and cleaning is just as easy with soap and warm water. Keep your air fryer in top condition effortlessly. Whether you have an Instant Vortex, COSORI, or another popular model, these versatile bumpers are designed to fit. They adapt to both basket and non-basket style air fryers. This pack comes with 8 black bumpers, giving you plenty of spares. Ensure your air fryer is always ready for cooking with this comprehensive value set. What we like? Worried about your air fryer trays getting scratched or damaged during high heat cooking? These durable, food-safe silicone bumpers provide essential protection and are designed for a precise fit on many popular models. If you're looking for a simple, effective way to safeguard your air fryer's internal components and ensure longevity, this pack of 8 is an excellent value. What people say. These bumpers are a perfect fit for my COSORI air fryer basket. They prevent the basket from scratching the inside of the air fryer. Easy to install and they stay in place during use. Number 3. COSORI 6.8 QD Air Fryer Silicone Bumpers. Introducing our upgraded silicone bumpers, designed specifically for your COSORI 6.8 QD air fryer. They offer superior protection and durability. Crafted from premium, food-grade silicone, these bumpers are non-slip, scratch-resistant, and built to last. They are BPA-free, non-toxic, and tasteless, meeting FDA standards for your safety. With high temperature resistance up to 430 degrees Fahrenheit 221 degrees Celsius, these silicone tabs effectively prevent scratches inside your air fryer. Keep the interior looking like new. Using them is a breeze. Simply attach these rubber pieces to your air fryer tray. They are also easy to remove for cleaning. These rubber feet are designed to fit the COSORI Dual Blaze 6.8 quart air fryer perfectly. You'll receive 4 bumpers in each package. We're here to help if you have any questions. Contact us anytime, and we'll resolve any issues within 12 hours. What we like? Are you concerned about scratching the interior of your air fryer when inserting or removing the tray? These upgraded silicone tabs offer superior protection and are specifically designed for certain popular models, ensuring a snug fit. If you own a compatible air fryer and prioritize protecting its surfaces from wear and tear, these are an ideal solution. What people say. These bumpers fit perfectly on my COSORI air fryer basket. They are made of good quality silicone and protect my air fryer basket from scratches. Number 2. Air fryer tray bumpers replacement parts. Keep your air fryer's crisper plate safe from scratches. These rubber bumpers are designed to replace the original rubber jaws, preventing damage during use. This 12-piece set ensures your air fryer stays in optimal condition. With replacements needed every 6 months, this set provides about 24 months of protection. Designed to fit most popular brands, including Vortex and COSORI air fryers. Made from food-safe, BPA-free, and odorless silicone, they can withstand high temperatures up to 430 degrees Fahrenheit. No tools are needed for installation. Simply insert the bumper into the metal tab on your air fryer's crispy tray. They are also easy to detach for cleaning. You will receive 12 air fryer rubber feet. We also offer a worry-free after-sales service with free returns and exchanges. What we like. Looking for a long-term solution to protect your air fryer's crisper tray and coating? This generous 12-piece set provides ample replacements, ensuring you always have spares on hand. If you want to prevent scratches during tray insertion and removal and are seeking a cost-effective, durable replacement for your instant Vortex or COSORI, this set offers great peace of mind. What people say. These bumpers fit perfectly on my COSORI air fryer basket. They prevent the basket from scratching the inside of the air fryer when you pull it out. The rubber material seems durable and should last a long time. Number 1. Air fryer rubber bumpers. Protect your air fryer with these premium, food-grade silicone bumpers. They are non-slip, scratch-resistant, and built to last without tearing. Rest assured, these bumpers meet FDA standards and are BPA-free, ensuring they are non-toxic and tasteless for your peace of mind. Their compact design effectively shields the interior of your air fryer from scratches. They can withstand high temperatures up to 430 degrees Fahrenheit, 221 degrees Celsius. Simply attach these silicone pieces to your air fryer crisper plate. They are incredibly easy to use, remove, and clean. These are designed to fit air fryer grill plates and other models with compatible dimensions. Contact us if you have any questions. You will receive a set of 4 durable rubber tabs, perfect for safeguarding your air fryer. What we like. Need a reliable way to prevent your air fryer tray from scratching the inside of your appliance? These premium rubber feet are made from high-temperature resistant, food-grade silicone that's tough and easy to clean. If you're looking for a simple, effective, and safe solution to protect your air fryer's interior and are comfortable with a potentially universal fit, these are a solid choice. What people say. These bumpers fit perfectly on my COSORI air fryer basket. They protect the non-stick coating of my air fryer basket from scratches when I put it back in the unit. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.